Welcome to our Cost First video series. In this video, we're going to focus on customized prints. If you want to customize your net sheets with all of your own information at the top, this is how you will do so. Depending on your geographic location, this tab may not be available to you. If it is available in your area and you'd like to add your picture and contact information every time you prepare a net sheet, CostsFirst will give you the option to choose from standard branding or advanced branding. For standard branding, it is very simple and quick to do. Here is the process. First, enter your name. After you've put in your name, you're going to enter your company's name. Following your company's name, it'll be your contact phone number. And then following your contact phone number, you will enter your email address. Once you have all of that information plugged into the system, you're going to click on the Add to Canvas tab. Then you're going to click on Upload Your Picture tab. Select obviously your picture of choice, and then click on Save. Now, instead of the first M eagle on the top of the printout, you will have your picture and contact information, so this gives you control over what the top of your net sheets look like. For those who would like to create their own banner logo instead, the advanced banner window will allow the user to upload an image of their choice using the specifications 110 pixel height by 480 pixel width. After uploading your JPEG, GIF, or PNG file, just click on Save. From this point on, whether you've selected standard branding or advanced, your branding will appear on all of your printouts. Let's show you, based on this example, of how the detailed net sheet printout looks. The space in the right corner is reserved for photos that were sent with the net sheet when it was emailed. And here's how the quick print net sheet looks with the branding added. So once you've entered your information in the customized prints window, this information will always appear on all of your net sheets every time until you make changes. And of course, as always, as each of the videos denotes, if you have any questions or concerns, please click on the Contact Us screen and you can call customer support, the number 1-800-252-8692. If you prefer email, shoot us an email at support@costfirst.com. That's it for this Cost First video. Thanks for watching.